Hello Simon, it's Zurab here at Vast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2019 Yamaha YZ250F. This is the motocross version of this dirt bike, and it's one of the best bikes in the world. So right now there is a $300 discount incentives from Yamaha, and we add another $300 as our in-store discount, so it's a minus 600 bucks. This is the price plus HST and licensing. HST is a 13%, licensing is just to get the new ownership and the trail plates if you want it. So 95.53 plus HST and licensing. The bike is brand new. As you see here, I have it on the floor. It's the last one. And here's the VIN number, just in case you need it for some reason. This bike has the Wi-Fi connection as well with the application on your phone, so you will have pretty much a lot of option to adjust the power and the mapping, and you can track the motorcycle services as well. You can have everything in your phone. Since it's a performance dirt bike, it's very important to do all the services in time, so you have your hour meter and the service counters as well. If you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, we do financing as well. You can call me back at 905-660-2901, extension 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.